guys, so we're putting the K&N cabin air filter. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it comes with stickers. Alright, well, performance mods. That's hilarious. I thought the air filters came with stickers. This is how it looks like. That's how you could tell if it's clean or not on your used one. Just holding up to the sunlight and seeing if it goes through. Here's the instructions, self-explanatory, but who needs instructions? It's pretty simple. I'm just doing it outside the local O'Reilly's. We got some change earlier, so yeah, you can empty this out just so there won't be that much weight on there. And then you just take these off. You have to do it with both hands. So you just push this one in like that. It's same thing on this one, so push it in. And in case you're one of the people that don't read the manual or don't know, there's a cigarette lighter right here. In case you guys didn't know. And that's the cabin air filter housing. You just push this tab like this and it opens up like a swinging door. And then that's the cabin air filter. Pull it up towards you. And man, look at that. You can't even tell. That's so disgusting. And there's a bee in there. Can you see the bee? And that is disgusting. This is why you gotta change this shit. Alright, this isn't protecting your lungs. Alright, the only reason I'm using gloves is just because the K&N ones, they use this oil. If you can kind of tell right here. See the little bubbles? It's the oil, and it's cancerous. Proposition 65. So you don't want to get it absorbed. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Let's take it out of. So right here, just pop the thing, remove it, pull it out, put it back in there, and then. I mean, this one shows that it's like in a box, but it's not really like that with mine. So these are gonna cut off. Now it's clean, just like that. And then you're just gonna put it in there. Just make sure it's in there. And then when it closes, then you're set. Basically, that's all it is. And then you use both doors, and you close it, and you're done.